Elijah, can you say fire truck?
Fire truck.
What?
Fire truck.
Was that a fire truck?
No, this was a monster truck.
A what?
A monster truck.
A monster truck? Oh, that's really cool, Elijah.
What?
Micah, what do you have to say? Is that a fire truck?
Can we talk somewhere? Come on.
Hey, what is it again?
A monster truck.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay.
We need to start right here.
It sounds like
Hey, Micah. Micah. Micah, what do you have to say? Is that a fire truck? Micah, say fire truck. Say, you want to say hi to the camera? It's Christmas Eve. Let's see what we can do here. Hopefully we can turn the camera. I don't know how to work this.
just tap the screen or something.
Anyways, that was Fire Truck by Elijah. Bye-bye. It's Christmas Eve. Happy almost New Year. And
Happy holidays.
yeah, happy holidays. That's my little brother. Micah, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.